morning. Good morning. Oh man, I was gonna just do a recording, but just wasn't jiving. But getting my coffee on the pot, and we're gonna do a little walking together. Walk on some charts. Maybe take some requests. Maybe take some requests or something. I'm not in a trade right now. I'm not in any trades. Get fucking clickbaited. Uh, get my coffee going. Good to see you, Billy. Love you, bro. I'll be right back. Maybe Billy will join us if maybe he's with Papa Casper again. I'll be right back. Alrighty. Good afternoon. How is everybody doing? Wish you knew how to. You wish you knew how to dance to songs. Man, you just pop up and down and clackle your feet and shake it all around. I am not in a position right now, so I don't know if I know how to talk or stream. I don't care if the microphone's too low. The sun isn't even up yet. Do you want me to fucking yell into the microphone at 3 in the morning? Yeah, I'll try it. Let me mess with the sound here, you fucking Guggenheims. You guys are a bunch of Guggenheim. It's fucking 3 in the morning. Do you have to always be yelled at? Alright, hang on. Alright, let's see here. The screen is black. Yes, the screen is black. Okay, my microphone's gonna be loud as fuck now, so it's, I don't know. I'm not talking loud. This sounds fine. Yeah, this sounds fine. Fuck off. Good morning. Folks, we got some stuff to talk about. Thank you to those of you saying it's loud enough. You want 1080p 3 amigos. I hear you, bro. I hear you. Boy, look at that. Look at this 2-day. Look, this 2-day. I feel naked. I feel naked not being in a trade. It's a new month, and payroll. We had payroll yesterday. And boy, I tell you what, you can tell when the price action is bullish. Because there's some fat checks being cut. Cutting checks. Now, I'll tell you, the main thing that I am looking for is the flow of money. And is this flow of money going to bottom and just continue to the downside and eventually give way like the 64K top eventually gave way? Man, even just looking at, even just looking at the momentum, Look at these momentum waves. We're on the 2-day. This was a kerplow. Just plowed. This is a big wave that plowed through. I mean, how often does a wave come this high to only just give up immediately, you know? I don't know, man. I'll tell you what I'm looking for. What I would really like to happen is to have a 10% pullback. Because 10% pullbacks yank people out, and it's enough to cast doubt. And if it survives a 10% pullback, what was this? Yeah, that was 17%. What was this one? I was looking at these here. A little 10% right there. What about this one? 10%. You can't argue the charts. You can't argue the charts. But it's choppy. It's choppy. We've had a smooth ride from 16,800. Everybody and their mother and their brother is posting their success in trading, in buying shit coins and holding on to them. If you are a crypto asshole and you talk about it, you probably have profits that have been shown. Now, this was the pump. I was not in on this. I was asleep, didn't enter a trade before I went to sleep, nothing. This didn't get in on this one. And congratulations if you did. But we are starting to see these little bubbles on this money flow here. We're seeing bubbles. And I'm kind of just thinking, you know, how long, when's it going to be until we know if it'll be so, if the money flow is it going to come back for another roar, or is this just a choppy to eventual sputter out? I'm about to do a sound check on this bitch, and I guarantee I can hear myself. If I can hear myself fine on my phone, testing 1 2. The sound is loud as fuck. If you can't hear yourself, if you can't hear me right now, it is your problem. It's your problem. Okay, if you have $1 million studio and you're saying you can't hear, then I got a studio to sell you, buddy. I got a studio to sell you, buddy. You know, this next bull run, we might have to start the crypto face community scam on these motherfuckers out here, because we need to get this $1 billion money. You know what I'm saying? Getting these yeah. We might have to all pull together, come up with a good fucking scam, because apparently that's what's in, and you get away with it. Apparently, you can just fucking get away with it. And the worse the scam the easier it is to get away with, apparently. I tell you, there's fucking scams are getting paid. And we're out here working hard like fools. Giving our money away. People are giving their hard. They want to get scammed. Can you believe that? And they don't have a care in the world. They don't have a care in the world. They sleep easy. But, anyways. We're just kidding. Man, this two-day VWAP is curving. The CF Collective. That would be a good name. CF Collective. It's a good name. Where's Billy? Look at the 10 minutes. Sure. We sure can. You know, is it, I tell you what I don't want to do. I don't want to get into a long for it to just be little bullshit. Billy, you want to hop on with me, man? I want to hear what you have to say. I'm like a jittering chipmunk. It's so weird. I feel weird streaming when I'm not in a position. It is so unnatural. The 22-minute is key. I know you guys like the 24-minute. Is it that much different than the 25? Is it like, hell no, we don't do that 25-minute. The 24 though. The 24 though, yeah. You hear Junior over there be on that 25-minute. What an idiot. It's about that 24. Not a bad time to get in, you say. You know, shit. Might be right. Fuck. I might want to long, folks. I might be longing. We might be longing. It's justified. I withdrew money from my account. I said I was going to be a responsible boy. We paid everyone. I'm sitting here. I got my hands crossed. I'm sitting here with manners. I got my spoons on my left side, the forks on the right. I don't know. 25ers for suckers. Yeah, man, I can't believe I started with 100 grand and traded that shit up to $1 million, because even I withdrew like I think like 200 and 250 grand, and I got like 800 or let me pull that shit up. And it just seems small. It seems fucking small. $850. 850 feels like 100,000. Yeah, boy, I tell you what, if you're paying the bills, if you are trading to pay the bills, you better be careful. It is blender season. 'Tis the season. Santa has ho-ho-hoed. Came and gone. He's come and gone. He has come. He has gone. I don't know, folks. I don't know. This is the sexiest thing. This is the star of the show right now. This is the star of the show. We don't see this too often, and this is some serious. This is some Tony Hawk vert ramp skateboard. This is a inward curved, thick VWAP, nicely curved, like supple. The supple breast of a nice young 20-year-old young woman. Supple, she's funny, she laughs at your jokes, and you just want to pollinate that bitch. Pollinate, you supple flower. Yes, so soft. Yes. I think it's the music that's got me going right now, folks. I don't know. There's something about this music really can kind of get the juices flowing. What the fuck? Yeah, I think that's the word of the day. Anyways, what the hell are we doing? I mean, it's in the red. It's come up. It's pulled back. God, look at the 3 hour. What the fuck? At the 3 hour. Oh, we got it. We got to shoot the shot. What's it going to be, though? What are we looking at here? 23-5, 24-1. Folks, I'm about to pull the trigger. I'm about to pull the trigger. And you know, we're going to take it slow. We got to take it slow. We can't get excited. Can't get excited. We're here for a long time. We're not here for a short, good time. It's not the time to be marketing in, marketing out. Oh, man, I want to do it. I want to do it. maybe we can look at some other shit here. What's little scrunchy here? Look at that momentum. It's scrunchy, scrunchy. Boy, I'm telling you. What 16? So what percentage is this? Yeah, yeah. It's coming back. It's coming back. Wait 45 minutes, you say. Why do you say that? Why do you say that? Let's get down to business. Let's get to these lower time frames. Jobs report in 45 minutes. You guys know I don't care about that. But, you know, how pathetic, I tell you, how pathetic is it that we're listening to this FOMC in these reports? Man, that's not what crypto is supposed to be about. And we've just given in and sold in to the what everyone else is doing. And you guys talk so much shit about Goldman Sachs and Bear Grylls and the guy on TVs. And as far as I'm concerned, you're right there with them. This is the first time ever from what I remember, in the history of crypto, we're talking about FOMC bullshit. I just love that curvature. I love that curvature. But I know it's also tight up against, it's kind of up against the ropes. It's just beautiful. It's just beautiful to me. Again, it's supple. Supple. And I gotta say, we don't see this much. When the waves come down like this is quite the bump of money flow right there. Yeah, I'm not trying to look earnings reports and jobs reports. Those numbers are so fudged. Those numbers are so chopped and manipulated. That's manipulation. That's manipulation. The GDP, the FOMC, that's manipulation. Billy? Where's Billy? I need to, like, start a Zoom call instead of Discord, I think. I want to see what Billy has to say. It's a full moon coming, you say. Oh boy, the price is going up. Folks, I should have gotten in. I should have gotten in. I should have gotten in. I'm telling you. Telling you. What the fuck? People messaging me. Hang on here. Okay. Son of a gun, we should, for Pete's sake. Jeez, Louise. Jeez. Okay. What am I doing? What am I doing? Yeah, you know, it's, man. That's all I got to say about that. It's curving. It's curving. You know, what's 500? What's 500? What's, let's take a look, see here. This thing's a scam. This shit's a scam. It changes it to 17 and this shit's a fucking scam. It's fucking scammers. Look at that. It's such a simple mistake can toss you at 15x or 20x, and man, you gotta be careful. Boy, thank God we didn't get in yet. Thank God we did not get in yet. Boy, I tell you, we would be freaking out right now. We would just be freaking out. I'm telling you, it's a washing machine. People are gonna be getting blendered. They're gonna be getting blendered. I am chomping at the bit. I don't know how to act and how to talk and how to be when I'm not in a trade. I just don't know. I just don't know. Just can't do it. Can't do it.
Yo.
Testing 1 2. Billy 1 2 3.
Yo, yo. Can you hear?
I can hear you. Can
Cool.
everybody else hear you?
Can you guys hear?
Let me pull up my phone, man. How you doing, bro?
I'm doing all right, man.
I loved your interview with MTC, by the way.
Cool, man. Yeah, thanks.
You're welcome. How come you're talking so quiet and not yelling in my ear at 1,000 miles an hour at fucking 4 in the morning?
I don't know. I mean,
That's what the
maybe
people
I
want.
could try. I could use a little bit more vocal girth, I suppose.
Yeah, man. Shit. These people, I tell you. All right, let's see here. Oh man, we sound great. We sound great right now.
It does sound crisp.
Yeah, super crisp.
I could hear your phone through the Discord. Sounds
yeah,
crisp. Super
yeah,
crisp.
yeah, super crisp. What you up to, bro?
Just looking at the charts, man. Listening to your live stream.
Man, I'm sorry. I don't have much to offer.
Well, it is good to hear your insights on these higher term time frames.
Yeah. That's pretty much all I got, dude. Just looking at that 4-6 hour money flow is going to curve back up. Although I will say, I'm starting to, my memory's being refreshed. The hike and a she candles on the monthly flipped green, on the 2-week flipping green dual band strength index, on the weekly we're hiking a she on the monthly. My brother was talking about that. VWAP crossed over on the monthly.
Yeah.
Yeah. Shit, you know.
That's the past 3 cycles has been not the bottom of the Bitcoin price, but definitely the bottom of the bear market. Led to a relief rally. If we go back and look like 2015, 2018.
Yeah. Are you in any positions right now. It's like, do I want to just throw a little one at this right now while the price kind of sold down and maybe shake my... I know it's going to be flip-floppy, dude. I know it's going to be flip-floppy, you know?
Yeah.
I don't know, man.
I was waiting for a little bit lower to get into a fresh long, but I got front runner just a little bit there, and I kind of just want to wait it out. But I'm already in a few longs from lower, so that's why I'm just being super careful with it.
Yeah, I mean, you're already... So, I mean, but you're, you know, so you're good. You're, you know, you're already in, you know?
I am. I'm very curious to see what happens this weekend. The past 3 weekends we've pumped Friday and
Yeah.
Saturday, and we do have that bearish looking 4 hour, but those high time frames are just super bullish. Like the
Yeah.
monthly, the weekly, the 2 day. It's like
That 2 day, bro. That 2 day. Like,
the money flow's
I
getting
haven't
thick.
seen... I haven't... This looks like my girlfriend's teats, bro. I'm telling you. Like, they look just like a handful. You know what I'm saying? They're the perfect handful.
Oh, I know what you're saying.
Yep. And I'm sitting here. It's like I'm, I'm sitting here. You know.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm sitting here too. You know, I'm very uncertain about what is going to happen here. Like we're obviously at such a important level, like 25K, in my opinion. If we break above that, we're going to 30K, just because there's no volume. It'll be a smooth move up to 30K, like super smooth, like high fiber kind of smooth.
Uh, let's look at the Dixie.
But if we reject here, we get that pullback. And I just like you, man, I want a pullback. I've been hoping
Yeah.
for a pullback,
Yeah.
like a nice 10%er to come back to like the 21K, 20.5K zone. That'd be nice.
Let's Well, the Dixie rejected off that 2 hour, man. I got this was when that one guy in the chat, the pencil neck, was right in the chat talking about the 2 hour. On the Dixie I'm looking at here, he was like, the 2 hour done Dixie, man. And then damn, that shit straight up rejected.
Yeah, that is really interesting. I'm really keeping my eye on the Dixie right now. Like that low from May, I think is going to be really key. At like 101.29 points. I think if we bounce from here, that could give us our pullback. But if we lose that level again, I think we could get another big move up on Bitcoin. Look at the weekly on the dollar. Looks like we could get another little push up here.
Wow, you ain't kidding. Pull up. Well, yeah, this is. I'm telling you, it's an important. No wonder I'm struggling over here. It's an important time. You know, it's one of them times where it's like, if you do those DSTs, you know what I'm saying? Those big old wide-eyed, outward cross-eyed DST thumbnails. I'm long on dick sucking thumbnails, mouth wide open. I'm a buyer on that. I guarantee you we're gonna be seeing them for the next week. Yeah, interesting.
Yo.
Did I lose you, Billy?
I totally just lost you. I don't know if you're still there.
Yeah, I'm here. Can you hear me? Billy? Okay, we're having some technical difficulties here. Can you guys hear me okay? Yeah, I think the streams are working okay. Stream's working okay. Yeah, folks, you know. I tell you, it's, you know, I'll say this. You know, I wasn't in long on the last move. And, shit, I should be on this one. I feel like I should. It's might as well be. Might as well be. You know, if you're wrong, it's like, oh, okay, whatever. Everyone else was long too, you know. I mean, who's out here? Is anyone out here shorting the hell out of this? Is anyone in this chat shorting hardcore right now?
Well, I guess for some reason nobody can hear me. Maybe
I can hear you now, bro. I can hear you now.
Maybe my internet went out here.
It's all good. You're back. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me, bro? Bro? Bro?
Yo, yo.
Yo.
We're back.
Nice.
That was weird, man.
Yeah, it's all good, bro. You know, you be out there living that life. You know what I'm saying? So it happens. Well, a lot of people are saying they're short. I'm gonna put a poll to it. I'm asking. I was asking, I'm like, are people really short? Are people short right now? Like, are people shorting, looking for a good short move in the immediate short term?
You know, I do have a confession to make. I am short from 24,216.
From 24 what?
24,216 on the
24,216. Damn.
It's a smaller position because I wasn't too sure. Well, actually, I actually have 2 trades open from that level. So because I'm hoping for that pullback. So every time we put in one of these highs with those bearish dips, I just kind of take a short, kind of just a hedge against the longs I'm in, because if we start to dump, I don't want to miss it. I hate missing dumps. Like, I don't really mind missing pumps as much because I hold a lot of spot Bitcoin, but if we dump and I miss it, man, what a bummer.
I'm doing a poll. We're doing a poll. Simple poll. What trade are you in now? Are you in a long? Are you in a short? Are you not in a trade at all? Everyone should be able to answer the question in the poll. Are you, hey, would you look at that? See, I'm telling you, this shit is choppy as fuck. Imagine if we longed imagine if we longed. It's choppy. And it's like, you know, I don't know, something could be there. There could just be little and fruit, and I just see stress, but then the move comes, and it's like, you know what I'm saying, Billy?
Yeah. I'm interested in seeing what happens if we come down to like 23.3 or like 23,250, because there's a lot of confluence there for a potential bounce if we are going to get another move today.
To 23,250.
Yeah, that's the level I'm eyeing up right now. At least the next support, because the way things are looking right now on the chart, at least on like the 24-minute, I know people. I like the 24.
Here we go, not the 25-minute. We don't want to. We don't
No,
want to
the
look at the
S-
25-minute. Those guys are noobs.
no, but I'm looking at the 24-minute. Looks like we could
Word.
get a nice money flows coming up. We could get a nice little bullish divergence. We just printed a BitBoy green dot at that last low. So if we come down and stop everybody out, everybody right now who's long, they're probably got their stop losses right under these lows. So
Yeah.
stop everyone out and then get our bounce.
Are you on your computer?
I am, yeah.
Well, why did you say no more? Can you would you like to share what what you're looking at with us?
Yeah, for sure.
Terrific.
Let me see if I can do that.
You just click little monitor button with the arrow swoosh. I'm thinking I'm thinking this one of them times where it's like opposite time. It's like, am I thinking, oh, I want to long right now, go short. Oh, I want to short right now, the price going down, long it. And maybe just play it like that. I might be playing it like that. Whoops, hang on. Hold on here. This darn thing. Whoops. This is fucking... Discord sucks. Okay. All right. You have the floor, my friend.
All right. Well, I would say this whole move up so far has been super interesting because every time we come down to the Fibonacci golden pocket, we've been bouncing. So that's kind of bullish. But I'm looking at this right here as like a support resistance flip. This blue line right here are like around 23,250. Because the way the 4 hour is looking right now, and this is just an idea. Like, let me just make it clear. This ain't no financial advice. I might not long if this happens. Like, it depends on how it's looking. But if the 4 hour keeps its direction here, right now on these lower time frames, like the 24-minute, to me, I'm seeing this money flow curve to the upside. I'm seeing a potential, a potential uneven butt cheek pattern forming on the chart right here with the juicy left cheek and the skinny right cheek on the 24-minute. And that 24-minute, when we do this, that's a pretty powerful signal. So right now, I know a lot of people are probably looking to long, and so if we just come down and stop all these people out, that could like give us the liquidity to get a little push to the upside. That's like the first zone I'm interested in. But if we start to lose this, then I become more hesitant to get into a long because if we do lose it, there's a greater chance that we would come back down into these lower levels, because then we'll be breaking the pattern of bouncing from the golden pocket. So we've had 1, 2, this potentially could be our third bounce from the golden pocket here. And a lot of times I've noticed the best golden pocket bounces is when we come down and tap it once, get a move up, then come down, stop everyone out who tried to long it, and then get the real move. So something else I'm keeping in the back of my mind here is, I don't mean to get all pencil necky with all my TA here, but something else I'm keeping in the back of my mind is this flag potentially could bring us up to the August high, which would be, that's like my main target right now, that 25K level. So I have to see what happens.
Damn, I was on mute. Fuck. Can you repeat the last thing? What was the last thing what was the pencil neck TA? Whoa.
I guess it's all been pencil neck TA, so but
Billy, you're such a kicker.
Yeah, but I was looking at this this pattern that we have here of like these flags that keep breaking out to the upside.
Yeah.
And the target is the August high, which is like if we are going to get another push up, especially over a weekend, this would be a really nice level to get our pullback, like a fake out of that August high, and then get the 10%. You know.
Okay. Yeah,
But
bro.
other
I
than
mean,
that, bro,
if we
I don't
break
know.
that, we're talking, I mean, 40K. We could be yippee-yi-yay right to 40K. before we
Yeah,
eat the hay again. You know,
that's what I'm thinking
that
too.
type of shit.
Yeah, I'm really thinking if we break above 30K, we'll be back inside of the 2 year range. I mean, during the second half of like the bull market, it was basically just trading sideways on a massive time frame. So yeah, if we break 30K, that $39,000 level is looking pretty dang juicy, man. So this chart zoomed out looks pretty bullish in general. It's like, if we start to reclaim these resistances,
Yeah.
this could just be a giant fake out to the downside, right?
Yeah, I was doing some measuring. I don't even remember exactly what I was doing. I could probably figure it out again, but yeah, kind of just like it would just be doing the same shit again. And like, yeah, the price would be different, but the percentage is the same, for the most part. And I mean, we got the curvature. It's been in the red. You know what's funny, man? Remember when everyone was like, it's not the top because there wasn't a blow off top. Like, it doesn't have to have the same patterns. That I remember that pissed me off when everyone's like, the 64K isn't the top because there was not a blow off top. It's like, well, the secret's out, dude. You know what I'm saying?
Mm,
It was a double top.
that's true. And a guy I know, Lane Hughes, he's been saying that 10K is the new 100K for the bear market. Everyone said we were going to 100K, 100K, 100K.
Yup.
Never got there. Everyone said 10K, 10K, 10K. Maybe we'll never get there. Who knows?
Boy, man, I tell you, everyone was hooting and hollering about 100K like it was already there. They were already spent it. What's the
Yeah,
price right
I'm
now?
still long from
23,542. Shit,
69K.
should have longed. What were you saying?
I'm still long from 69K. I just keep adding margin to avoid liquidation.
Yeah.
So
Keep that cushion, bro. You got that cushion. You got the cushion. Right
are we
on.
pumping right now? Yeah,
What?
we're getting a little move up right now.
Yeah. A little. We got a little something. I'm telling you, it works out. It comes through. I'm liking this 3 hour.
Yeah.
I feel like
We
I
might
should have
not get
longed.
that pullback.
I feel like I missed out. $20 ago, I missed out. It's not too late, is it?
Guess it. We'll know by the end of the day.
Yeah.
Man, yeah. We might not. I hope we get that little. I hope we get that stop hunt thing that I'm hoping for.
How's this YouTube poll looking? Okay, so the results are in. 36% are long. 24% are short. And 40% are not in a trade at all. Again, that's 40% not a trade. 36% long. 24% chong.
Well, most of the people are in good positions because half the people in trades are right, and everyone who's not in a trade is also right. They're not going to lose anything.
Yeah, I mean, I feel like this could just, well, let's see here. If we, let's see here. 2.5%. What's 2.5% of, not enough money. It's not enough. Just not enough. That's another thing, in order to wet my beak, it's got to be for a certain amount. And so it's like, it's got to be for a certain amount to wet my beak. But it feels so good. It's been so long. It's been so long. How's Papa Casper doing?
He's doing good, man. You know, he had to sell his teeth a while ago to buy more Bitcoin after he got liquidated, but after this pump, he's got a nice smile again.
The Dixie's dumping. Let's look at the Dixie. You guys saying the Dixies? It better be dumping. I mean, damn, look at that money flow on the Dixie. Man, it's changed on 25. What if it... Let's go. Boom, okay. Let us say... Do a little drawing. It's a little shallow. But we'll try it anyways. And we get our measuring tool. And measure. Measuring tool. If it wants to work. Measuring tool. 2 days, 8 hours, 9 hours. Yeah, the 2 days, the big seller for me. And then on the 12-hour, you know, you got the clip here. I'm telling you, it's man. Different time frames don't showing different shit. It makes sense because it's been zigging zagging on every time frame. It's been zigzagging a little, while it's been zigzagging a lot, while it's been zigzagging in between, while it's, I mean, it is zigzagging. Excellent bot trading right now if you're just skimming that shit like a bot should be doing. But I think this is all I think people are getting their emotions played. I think I've seen this before. I've been a victim of it before. You know. You know,
yeah,
that money came quick.
Unclear.
Quick money goes out fast too. Comes in quick, it can go. And it's just choppy on the low. What happened to Cynthia? Every time I bring it up, I get 100 emails of people asking me to sell it to them. Cynthia's mine. I tried, you know, if you look like the copy trading, like BitGet copy trading, the limit's 50 grand total with everyone combined. So when I said that it's basically impossible because we would throw off the exchanges and ruin all the order books and the market makers, it's because that's what would happen. And in order to manage that shit, there's no way. I tried for over a year. I gave it everything I got to it ain't happening. There is a limit on money. Money is not infinite, especially in an enclosed space.
You know, S&P 500 also is just put in another higher high.
What do you got? Let me pull you up here again here.
Oh, okay.
I'm taking any chart you can give me. I don't care what it is. I'm surprised, you know, the one time I'm like, hey, you know, guys, I'll look at your shit coins and stocks. Hit me. And no one's giving me shit coins No one's giving me stocks. It's too late. For now, we're going to look at what Billy has to say and show. All right, we're looking at the S&P. Give it to
Yeah,
us.
S&P, man, is looking kind of bullish to me, just because we have this trend line from 2022, the beginning, January 2022, and this is the weekly. We're breaking out. We're getting a higher momentum wave on the weekly, which is super interesting because, basically the trend that we were in on Market Cipher on the weekly from last year is breaking right now.
Yup.
And
Okay.
it's I've been actually using this chart to trade Bitcoin for like a long time. This is like kind of like a leading indicator. Like
Yeah.
if this thing rejects from resistance and Bitcoin is at resistance, it's pretty good confluence. So I am looking for like a potential, if the dollar is going to lose that level and come down lower, I'd be looking for the S&P 500 to get a move up to this next like 4,300 zone, just to basically come back and hit these highs. Would be super interesting. That could be pretty bullish for crypto as well. So this is just something else I'm keeping my eye on.
Okay. All right. Did you say that you're showing something else you're keeping your eye on, or that was just something else keeping your eye on?
Yeah, that's just something else I'm keeping. I'm like the two main charts I'm watching are the Dixie and the S&P,
Right.
because they like are pretty good indicators of what Bitcoin's going to do. Because unfortunately, like you said, we've sold our souls to like the FOMC and
Yeah.
all this stuff. Like,
Well, I mean, we don't really have a choice. The market, it's of such a small potato. It's like it is such a small potato, and so it really don't. It only takes a couple of assholes from the Wall Street to kick us around and bend us in line, but
yeah,
put us into shape.
yeah, I'm gonna change this trend line, make it thick and white, because I like my trend lines the way I like my women. So that skinny yellow one wasn't doing it for me.
Yeah, we're having a little dumpy here, What time is it? What time is it? All right, so what we got?
Whoa.
Little dumpy. Good thing we didn't long. Good thing we didn't long. I'm telling you, this is why. This is why it is the flop and grope index is at maximum flop and
Oh, the
grope.
FGI index. Can you pull up the FGI index? The flop and grope index?
It's at it's off the Richter scale.
Man, I still like this 24-minute here. It's looking like maybe we could get a little bounce. I'm curious to see what
Yeah,
happens.
yeah, yeah. If of course we will get a bounce, dude, because it just hasn't been selling. You think it's gonna be selling, and then it's gelling. It turns out it's got the gelling in the shoes, the blue goo in the shoes. Yeah, and the trade has to speak to you. I don't know what it's saying, but this it's a little blocky. The VWAP's a little hexagony, on some of the lower time frames. It's not smooth. Well, the 3-hour is still pretty damn smooth. Uh, hmm. What's going on with gold? Not shit, I already know, but Yeah, gold at 1913. It's so funny how bullish all the gold bugs were. It's just there's just no way it breaks 2000 without some serious damage going on around the world. No way.
What is gold at right now?
1913, 1914, 1913, 83 cents. Yeah.
Man, those people who have been in gold since like 2010 are doing pretty well.
The CNBC pictures today are trash. Apparently Amazon barely made any profits. At least that's what they're saying. All that freight, all that shit Amazon's moving, apparently they didn't make much in profit. I'm sure it's not because they don't want to pay hella taxes and shit like that.
Definitely not.
100%. Pretty much all, you know what I'm saying? What do you got going on this weekend?
Nothing, man. I'm doing nothing, which is great.
Super Bowl's coming up. You got Super Bowl plans?
No, man, I don't. I don't even watch football at all.
Word.
I don't know who's in the Super Bowl. Is it official yet?
The Eagles and the Chiefs.
Nice, man. Nice.
I'm going with the Eagles. They were -2. I picked the Eagles to win the Super Bowl when there was 4 teams left. So the odds paid pretty good. Let me take a look at those odds now.
Nice, man. You actually put money on it?
Yep.
That's legit. That's legit.
Oh, dude. It's a tradition on the CF channel. We always bet on the Super Bowl. We typically like the unders. Typically in any playoff situation, most of the time they play a little extra aggro, a little extra violent. Let's see here.
Do you think those things are who wins the Super Bowl is predetermined? A lot of people I know, they're conspiracy theorists about it.
No, it's there might be, you know, a ref or two or a couple players here and there that are trying to maybe, you know, that are maybe compromised. But when you're talking about the whole damn team and everyone like in on it, like, hey guys, we're going to forfeit the Super Bowl again this year to Tom Brady because fuck it, you know, our family, you know, who cares, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Well, the line tightened up. It looked like I had the Eagles at like -2. It's -1.5 now. Favorite, -1.5 favorite. I'm pounding the Eagles, man. I'd be pounding the Eagles. Over-unders 50. I think I might be pounding the Eagles on the Super Bowl. Now, do we want to pound in a long rate now? That's the question. Are we looking to pound out a little long rate now?
Man, I'm hoping that that we get a quick little drop. Sometimes we get a lot of volatility in that pre-market hour, which is coming up in like 1 minute. So I would love to stop out all these longs.
Yeah. It'd be nice to get a little 10% pullback. And, you know, when you get in on these runs, man, you just want more, you know? This was a good ride. This was a good ass ride.
Whoa. Okay, we're dumping like a wild woman in distress right now.
Oh, shit. This is time to long. It's time to long right now. I got to. We'll do a little oh. Look at that order book. Let me see this order book. I think it's holding. I think it's dumping. It's holding. I should long right now. Fuck that, it's going down. Thank God I didn't long. If you're gonna long, it's definitely the time to long right now. It's just most definitely the time to long.
All right. We just took those.
Oh my God, I'm losing everything. Thank God I didn't fucking long right now. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm telling you, it's that choppy shit. This is what's gonna. Where's your 23,250?
Yeah, we're right here now.
You're right there. Are we punching it in 23,250? Can I get a 23,250? Can I get a confirmation on that? Do we got a 23,250? Are we punching it in?
We got 23,250.
Oh,
yes.
I'm fucking punching it in. Fuck it. I don't know how much. Hey, just under $1 million. Fuck it. We're in that. We're in that. 23,250. Bro,
23,250.
you fucking nailed the 23,250, bro. Nailed it. I mean, Billy. My lord. To the dollar.
Well, yeah, look at that. We got a little bounce from that level. I mean, it's an important level, so we just wrecked all those longs.
Hell yeah. Fuck yeah.
And yeah, a whole bunch of longs just got totally wrecked there.
Fuck yeah. Let's go. $23,250. You called it. We balled it. I want to put in more. But we're just going to keep it at this. We'll keep it at this.
Yeah, let's see if we can get a real move from here. I mean, I always approach trades like this. I start them out as like scalperonis.
Yeah. Thank God there is at least some action. A win, lose, or draw. There's some action. I don't know about this, Billy. I'm a little nervous. I don't know if I want to. I don't know if I want to be in. I don't know if I want to be. I don't know.
Yeah, it is a little nerve-wracking.
It's a little nerve-wracking.
Yeah, but the way I look at it is if we lose the low, then it's a sign that it's not a good bottom.
Yeah.
Check out the lower time frames here.
$23,250. Oh, what do you know? What is that? $23,250. Does anybody want to guess? Does anybody want to guess what's at $23,250? A fucking spider line.
Interesting, man.
Let me double check on that. Is this oh, why is all this shit moving everywhere? Hang on. Hold on. Don't hold your words. Oh, Billy, I might be getting wrecked. I'm a little nervous, Billy.
Oh, I'm nervous too, man, because that means then I got you wrecked.
Look at the Dixie. Look at the Dixie. Oh my God.
Oh man, that is not.
No. 23,250 was just the beginning, Billy.
Well,
What are we gonna do?
I don't know, man.
This is not the way. Billy, this thing's been coming down. We've been bearish. We knew this shit's gonna come down. Look at the money flow. We were telling them all along. We were telling them all along. I didn't even want to do this, Billy.
I'm sorry, man. I didn't mean to push the sell button, the buy button.
I wouldn't have done this, but Billy said it was a good idea.
No, I didn't say.
Damn it, Billy!
This is a make it or break it moment right here.
Oh boy, if it's under 250, we're pulling out. We're pulling out. We're pulling out.
Yeah, this is literally the make it or break it because we just came down for the retest at the 786. So,
Oh yeah, 100%. It's on like Donkey Kong. Switch to switch here.
let's see that.
Oh, well, what is the jobs report? I want to see what the actual numbers is. The fact that Bitcoin's moving on the jobs report is the gayest thing. Job report. Oh, Bitcoin must die. Payrolls increased. Oh, yeah, that's because inflation. Ugh. This is so stupid. The whole Fed thing is so stupid. It is such a distraction. It is such a distraction. And literally, it's just a bunch of bullshit. But Billy, we're coming back. I think we're coming back, Billy.
You think so?
I think so, dude. Dude, it's Bitcoin knows that this has nothing to do with fucking Bitcoin.
I hope that's true, man.
And I like Jerome Powell. I enjoy listening to him speak. He's the best speaker in that White House.
That's actually a true statement, bro.
He's a great speaker. And he ain't the one that put us in this mess. The guy can only do one thing. I can raise this 1% or fucking lower it. Like, and everyone's like, oh, sucking a dick of it. Like, oh.
Yeah, whenever I go live during his speeches, I always put my face right next to his, and I'm the sign language guy. You know the sign language people that come on when someone's giving a speech.
Billy, we're in the profit, baby. We're in the profit, Billy. Billy.
I see. We gotta come above the 23,446 here.
We
make a
just
higher
got to stay above 23,250 as far as I'm concerned. I don't give a fuck. 23,2. I'm gonna say, is it 23,250? No, and we're okay.
Yeah, it's actually not looking too great. I'll be honest with you. Let's see what happens here.
Man, now I don't have to keep moving my damn screen. Now that I have a, thank God I'm in a trade. I don't have to fucking keep moving the screen.
You know what
Kick
I got?
back.
Do you trade? Do you just trade on a laptop?
Not right now. No, it depends. I trade on everything, but
Gotcha,
right
okay.
now I'm just at I'm at one of my office stations.
Gotcha. Because I typically just always did a laptop and a phone, and I just recently got an iPad, and it's a total game changer, man.
Really?
Like, it's like, yeah, it's like having another monitor.
Yeah. Touchscreen.
Yeah, and actually, the iPad, you can hook a keyboard up to it, so it's like another.
Yep. Yes,
like
sir.
another laptop.
Listen, bro. I am a caveman, and I don't, dude. I fought getting a smartphone for the longest time.
You're better off.
I fought getting Apple products for the longest time, so I'm right there with you, bro, with technology and shit like that, bro. I'm right there with you.
Yeah, it's been a game changer, bro, because typically I've got the laptop and the cell phone because I'm always like trading outside or whatever. Got the laptop in the truck. But now it's like I feel like, a professional. I feel like
Yeah.
straight up Gareth Soloway.
People
here.
be
Got,
streaming. Listen, people be streaming with their little iPad, doing little drawings on their iPad and shit.
Yeah.
I mean, is it that cool? People really like, is it like, what's so good about it? It's just like
yeah.
touchscreen monitor.
Explain it, man. It's like a big phone. Yeah. Yeah. I always look down on them. I always look down on it. I'm like, bro, it's a big phone. Why the heck do you want a big phone?
Yeah.
But now that I have one, it's my soul is being more and more merged into the coming AI overlord system. So now I feel like I'm one with the iPad. Even when I go to sleep, I just put it on my pillow and everything. Just kidding.
What happens like oh, never mind.
Nah, what are you going to talk about? iPads?
Yeah, it was going to be something about iPads, but we're going to pass on that.
All right. Pass on the pad.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Dixie coming in with another attempt at whatever it is. We are fighting like the 300 Pantheon at 23,250.
Man, the Dixie's looking pretty bullish, though. I mean, honestly, if anyone longs 23,250, I mean,
that 23,250, bro. Man, live.
Yeah, Dixie's pumping like crazy though, and also the S&P is taking a dump. So
this shit is so fucking stupid. Markets are supposed to go up when you have a good jobs report. The fact that like everything's so ass backwards, it's really just done on purpose for no fucking reason. And then the media feeds us a bunch of bullshit. And people just gobble it right up and we fucking now look at it. Listen, I need the Dixie I wish the Dixie would keep going. I got a lot of Dixie. I got more Dixie than I do crypto. That is for damn sure.
Man, you want to know what's crazy, bro? Is that I have more Bitcoin than I have Dixie.
What?
I know, man. I know. I've been maybe overexposed myself, but actually, that's not necessarily true. I still have some Dixie.
No, I feel you though, man. That's
I have more Bitcoin now than I've ever had in my life. Like,
good for you.
So let's hope it turns out good for me.
Hope it keeps going forever, bro.
Yeah, thank you. I appreciate that. Yeah, this
It's going to be interesting to see if,
oof, the dollar's pumping like crazy, bro.
yeah, we'll see
It
if
is
it keeps
just
going. I mean, Bitcoin's kind of holding that 23,250. I
yeah.
don't know. I don't know. Listen, this ain't the first time that the Dixie's had its. The Dixie been jacking and joveling too.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, look at that.
Yeah,
Even
let's see
it's
what
so
happens here.
choppy, man. Everything's so choppy. Trading so this is charts are so ugly and immature. I'm amateur. The charts are immature and amateur hour. And that's exactly what we're doing right now, too. That's why it's amateur hour right now. What were you saying, brother?
I was saying the last hope for me on this is if the if the if the S&P can hold 4135, and also if Bitcoin can hold 23,237 is literally my last hope. 23,237.
So, my problem is, bro, we have a little problem.
What's your problem?
We're in a trade live. It's in the red. We're not supposed to be streaming right now, Billy.
Oh, that's true. That's true. Rule number one of being a
Yeah,
streaming trader.
yeah, yeah. Got the tape. Got the tape. We went in at 23,250. We're going for a ride.
Man, this candle is an interesting candle. Check out the order book. It's not looking too.
I'm glad you're here, Billy.
You know, we had a lot of people long 23,250.
We had a lot of people long, bro. We had a lot of people long up here. Thank God. Bro, listen, and I'm telling you, like, I just know, I know, I was like, I want a long, but I know I've been through this before. Like, I know we're in the blender. 23,250's coming in. 23,250's coming in.
Coming in, man. It's not looking
Coming
so
in,
great.
23,250.
Yeah, we just lost the 786, it looks like.
If you guys are just tuning in, we long 23,250. We're going through a retest.
It, might be. It looks like a little bit more than a retest here. We'll have to see.
Oh,
Oh, no.
she hadn't even tested it yet. Come on, she ain't even there yet. Oh,
Yeah, you're right. You're right. You're right.
yeah, she's testing. She's testing. Look at the spider line. She's testing. She's testing.
Okay. Okay. She's testing. She's testing.
Testing.
You're right. She's a little
She
testy.
hadn't even. She's only hit it once. She's only hit 23,250 one time. The Frankie Candles was good, man. We had a good time. Thanks for asking. I said, Frankie, what are we gonna do, Frankie? Hey, Frankie, I'm in this trade. I don't know, Frankie. It caught him off guard a little bit because he comes in hot. He comes in hella energy and shit. So I came out, I was like, Frankie. It was good. We had a great time.
Yeah, Frankie Candles, man. He's a cool guy.
This trade not looking too good, to be honest. Hey, brother, we've been in way uglier ones. Being minus $3,000. You should have seen what I've been minus before.
I have seen.
Right now, we're at 20. We're not even at 23,250 as far as I'm concerned. We're having a blast.
Yeah.
You all right, Billy? Is there something you're not telling us over there that's going on with you, bro? You didn't take Did you take profits? Aren't you in short?
I am in a short. Yeah. I mean, I didn't take profit on this. I did long. I didn't take profit. I was going to hit a TP at the VWAP, but we didn't even hit that. So I'm hoping we come back up to it.
Say it ain't so, Billy. Say it ain't so.
It's so. I need to hit 23,462.
Oh,
Oof,
bro,
it's looking
that's
kind of
nothing.
bad, though.
23,462. Listen, Billy, we're at 23,250.
I don't know.
We just need 23,462, and we're right in the middle. Listen, bro, this shit's holding.
Man.
It would
I
have
don't know,
dumped
bro.
more. Bro, I'm ready to go put in more. Listen, I've been in this business. It would have done more already if it's already done. It's done. The Dixie's done. 23,250. If you missed it, you missed it. You're gonna wish you did it.
I mean, we'll have to wait and see. It looks like right now we've got a lot of people FOMOing long right now.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah, man, I see it coming in the order book here, and it's not looking so great because we have some longs opening up, but price isn't.
Well, that's
isn't
good.
going up.
People, that's because they know. They know about that 23,250.
Maybe, bro. We've got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like 6 million longs coming in. Price is getting lower, so that kind of shows me maybe
we're in the twos. We're in the 23 twos. 23 twos. We got a train caboose. It's time to fire up the engines, put that coal and steam. If you ever been to a steel factory, now's the time. We got 20. I'll tell you what, this 30-minute, scary.
Oh, man.
But you know what, dude? It's so damn choppy. I'm not surprised this shit, it's already baked in. Already baked in.
Man, we need if we don't get a move up here, this is looking pretty bearish just based on the fact that
the price has been going down and sideways. Is that why, Billy? I mean, it's been going down since the 1st of February.
Yeah, no, I just mean like super locally right now, because we have a lot of people longing here, but price isn't going up too much, which usually means that you've got some bigger limit orders in the opposite direction being filled up. Like 6 million longs, but man, almost 10 million longs down here, and price ain't going up. So
let's look at the Dixie resistance. I think we're gonna be okay. I think if you ain't in that 23,250, you're missing the fuck out. At least on a shitter move, maybe to 23,614.
let's do it.
Or 23,477. I'm having a good time, bro. I'm glad you're here, man. Thanks for being here. I was fucking bored out of my mind trying to make a video. It sounded like shit because I got nothing to say except I don't know.
And now here we go, long from 23,250, baby.
23,250. Jason Casper is his YouTube. We call him Billy, but if you search Billy, it might not. It might come up. We might have baked Billy into the Google algorithm.
Yeah, I think so. A lot of people don't know that my name's not Billy.
And bro, I love your story about how you feel like there's not enough market cipher tutorials, and you feel like you wanted to fill the gaps. Because that's how I started too. There was gaps I thought could be filled profit trailer, and I was like, fuck yeah.
Nice, man.
And now look at you, bro.
Old days.
Now look at you.
Yeah, the channel's grown a lot.
Sure has.
It's pretty crazy, man.
We're getting more views than back in the fucking bull market. I wonder if it's because people have gotten weeded out, like the bear market YouTube weeded out, and now we're raking in all the new people that are back.
Yeah, I've seen in my own community, like a lot of people who were out for a while are back, and a lot of new people are coming in. So it's been interesting.
Okay, let's see here. 23,322. We just need this pendulum. We need to have a little perpendicular triangle. What's going on with the Dixie? The Dixie. She's trying. She's trying. She's flying.
Trying to have a pullback. 1 minute red dot on the Dixie. This is it, bro. Bitcoin to the moon.
Let me see that shit. Let's go. Listen, if you ain't in that 23,250, then you ain't in that 23,250. Are you guys able to hear the oldies music this whole time? Has the music been on this whole time?
It's been super low, man. And I was going to ask you, like, what is that music anyway? Because it makes me nostalgic for a time I didn't know.
It makes me horny as fuck. I wasn't even in that area, the areola. It's just oldies playing in a coffee shop, and it's raining.
That's nice, man. It makes me want to make my wife put on a super fancy dress and make us all breakfast, and we all sit down together.
Fuck yeah, dude. Go to the cafe, get some coffee. In fact, I'm gonna order some coffee right now. They just don't taste the same when unless you get it from specially made. We're going to do a new YouTube poll, and we're going to be talking about 23,250.
Well, man, let's see what happens at 23,250. Ooh, okay. Let's see what happens here.
Okay. The poll has been initiated. 23,250. Is it on or is it wrong? Let's look at the dual band strength indexes. Oh, the Dixie fighting, but that momentum coming down. Come on down. Oh, I'm liking the 5 minute hiking ashy. Beautiful doji. I'm telling you, folks.
You're looking at the dollar right now on the 5?
I'm looking at BTUSD 23,250. Oh, she's making a little run for 23,250. You not allow. You not allow. Oil. You tell me the oil? Oil. Gold. Taking a shit. As predicted. Who would have thought? Who would have thought? Gold's never going to be above 2,000. I just feel like it's never going to be over 2,000 ever.
Yeah, a lot of people say that.
Really? Because I feel like a lot of people aren't. I feel like everyone's hella bullish. They think it's just somehow going to break out of what it's literally is impossible to do given the circumstances.
I hear a lot of gold people, at least in circles that I'm in, talk about how they're never going to let it get above 2,000.
They can't. It's something that they let us. They can't. They have too much. They have too much. We're in here at 23,250, folks. If you're just joining us, welcome to the Crypto Face Community Channel. We're here having a good time. Not for a long time. A good time with our good friend Jason Casper, aka Billy Casper, MarketCipherTrading.com. We're having a good time. We knew it was going to be nasty today. We knew it was going to be nasty. We knew it was going to be nasty today, folks. We knew it was going to be nasty.
It was looking pretty nasty.
It was looking nasty.
It was looking uncertain. I'm hoping this 12-minute divergence confirms here. It's actually looking kind of good on the 12-minute market cipher B right now. Money flow coming up, momentum coming up, price hitting the beautiful number of 23,250.
Are we talking 23,250 on the 12-minute? We're looking good. Let's take a look.
I do see some uneven butt cheeks on it, man. I see some uneven cheek around.
All right.
Ponies.
We got man, what's the word I'm looking for? It looks like a can opener. We got a little can opener. We're about to open up a can of 23,250 and some beans.
I just want to hit 23,450.
If we're talking 23,450, let's hold our horses. Are you sure about that?
I'm hoping, man. I'm hoping that's where I have my TP. My toilet paper's up there.
Man, imagine the time we're having at 20. If we're having this good of a time at 23,250, I can't imagine. I can't imagine 23,450.
I know, right?
Look at
$200.
that dual band strength on the 5 minute 21. I'm digging it. I'm digging it. Let's pump this bitch up to 23,400 and something and make ourselves $1,800 or something.
Man, for me, that's a lot.
It is a lot, no matter who you are. Man, congratulations, by the way, on your trades lately, bro. I've been seeing your numbers, bro. You've been doing amazing.
Thanks, bro. I mean, praise God. It's been some crazy markets lately.
Yup.
So you hit you turned 100K into $1 million, right? You just did that.
Yeah, bro. 50 days. Yup. Did
That's
that
legit,
shit.
bro. That's
Thanks,
legit,
man.
man.
Thank you. Yup. That shit was pretty cool.
Okay, 10-minute. Not looking too bad there.
$50K to 10 million next. Man, I'm taking a break from the challenge for a little bit. I just went balls to the wall for 2 months to rip 100K into a mill live. You know, when I don't try is when it's successful. If I was like, let's do it. To be honest, I didn't even it really wasn't even a thing for the first 2 weeks. Like, I started with 100K and I was just trading it and got to 250 and then 300. And then I started saying, we're doing the fucking 100K to 1 mil challenge.
That's crazy, man. And when you do that, you just you put the whole stack on every trade and just go for it.
No. Half stack, sometimes full. It depends. Half stack and sometimes full.
Gotcha. So you just allocate a certain amount and just throw it in an account.
Yeah, whatever's on.
Right?
If it's on my account, that's what I plan on trading. I don't keep money on an exchange that I'm not gonna not trade.
Gotcha. Yeah, that's a good way to do it.
Yeah, that's but we just have to withdraw. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because that snowball rolls real quick sometimes, you know, and going from, you know, 100K, 5x, you're in a little 500K trade, and you're like, okay, boom, now it's a mil, now it's 3 mil, now it's 4 mil, now it's 5 mil. And I like it, you know, it's like, I miss it. But it's nice. And it's the right thing to do at the right time, but not all the time. Not most of the time.
Yeah, that's for sure. I mean, not that I've
So
ever.
I'm still thinking about I don't know. I mean, it's the same shit, bro. It's really ain't shit. So we're what's going on here? We're at 23,315. I thought you said 23,250 and everything was gonna be okay, Billy.
Yeah, you know. Well, hey, you know, in my defense, we did bounce from that level.
Yeah, we that was awesome, bro. It's I don't care what lines were where, who was where, on what time frame. You called it. You called the shot. That was a called shot, bro. Called shot. Flipped the penny in the air. Pulled the trigger. Eyes closed. And fucking headshot. Pink mist. 23,250.
I just want to hit.
I just didn't realize that you know, there was a spider line there with you. Just kidding. That's fucking awesome, dude. I fucking love you, Billy.
Those spider lines, man, they're legit. You know, I still don't use them, but a lot of people in my Discord use them, and
dude, that's how
good.
I mean, that's literally how I navigated my take profit points on everything above 20K when it was the first time it went over 20K and back down. And to this day.
Yeah. Yeah, I remember the first time I saw them. It was on BitBoy's show.
Is that right?
Yeah. The first time I saw you do spider lines.
And to this day. Let's go. Dixie at resistance. For now. The 1 minute. Momentum. We got our trigger waves to the downside. Price action has not yet totally followed it. Not yet. Look at that 30-second. We're about to see market cipher real time, giving you leading indication. Dixie's coming down. 23,250 is going up. Rocket ship. Get on board. If you haven't been to a steel factory, you better go now.
Man, there's definitely a fight going on at this level here.
It's kind of like two sissies slapping, like waving their hands at each other, but their faces are looking away. Like, you know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, like when SpongeBob and Patrick fight. I know what you're talking about.
Yeah. Yeah, when SpongeBob and Patrick fight. Yep. Yeah, they're sitting here like, and they're looking away. Yeah, little sissy. It's like two little sissies fighting right now.
Yeah, that's true. Because you know it's funny when we first got that big move down, we saw tons of volume come in, and now everyone's like, I don't know. Now people are closing their trades. They're like, I don't know about this 23,250.
I mean, I'm telling you, I've gotten pretty good at just looking at the order book and knowing during that action, like if it's gonna give way or not. You know, I've stared at order books during that type of action for so long. that I'm able to know it's like, oh shit, it's about to dump. It's not going to hold. Let's get the fuck in. Or shit, it should hold. Let's get in. Not saying we're going 23,250. Welcome to the channel, Illumi.
Are we
You
forming
think you
a,
missed a lot? We've been doing this shit for like 8 years, so we got another 8 years coming. Let's go.
we're forming a triangle?
Yes,
What's
we
happening
are.
now? So some people would look at this and call it a bear pennant. Other people would look at this and say,
Yeah, well, hey, that's a 50.2% pattern right there. Yeah.
yeah.
All right, let's look at this 1 minute, baby. Let's go to that 30-second. We're seeing the curvature. Let's go back to the Dixie. $15-minute going nice. You said, let's take a look. Okay, that's the Dixie. Go to the little 50. Although that looked good on the Dixie too here. Yeah, listen, it is a fight. It's fighting. I'm digging it. We got anchor waves or trigger wave to the anchor wave. We got the butt of the gun, snake eye, green dots, RSIs. Tightened up, heading into the same direction. Now we do got a little V-whoppage on the zag on the 1 minute currently. I'm thinking 20, 23, 39, 23, 29. And then it's rocket ship, get on board, go into the moon. Have you ever been to a steel factory?
Yeah, the stock market opens in 15 minutes. People are saying in chat.
I wonder what's going to happen.
Yeah.
I mean, the move already happened. The stock market, you know, it moves during the day about 1 out of 5 times. The moves happen before it opens. But who knows? I might be eating my words here soon.
Yeah, we'll have to see. Like, it's real interesting because the S&P 500 right now is at a very important zone of support.
Are you streaming on your channel, Billy?
No, I'm not. But I was planning to in like
That's all good.
an hour
We'll
or
make
two.
sure we Jason Casper, folks. Jason Casper. I remember, man, you used to have that cartoon avatar, and we thought you were just some little blonde, glasses-eyed, skinny little Billy. And boy, were we wrong about that.
Yeah, you know. Basically, what happened was when I made the avatar, I wanted to surprise everybody, so that's why I didn't show myself for like a year and a half, because I had to like hop on steroids and start working out for the big reveal.
Bro, I'm about that. That's what my grandpa said. He goes, "Me and your grandmother were talking, and we wanted to know why you always look like a bum." He's like, "I think it's because you like to surprise people."
Is that true, or is it just because you can?
A little bit of both.
Yeah.
Camouflage. It's like if someone thinks I'm broke, then it's like, ha ha,
Yeah.
you're stupid.
Yeah, I know how you feel, man.
Cracking Alessandra.
Man, this triangle is getting tight, man. This is a tight triangle with 10 minutes until stock
We
market
got,
opens.
what, 10 minutes?
10 minutes, yeah.
10 minutes till official, and then basically 15 minutes after that for the full market. Don't open in the on the dot. There's another 15 minutes after that for like a bunch of other
Yeah,
shit.
man. Yeah, pretty much from then until lunchtime, we might get a move, because those New Yorkers, they don't miss their lunch. Those stockbrokers. So I'm curious if this thing does break to the downside. I'm curious to see the target. Right around the monthly open. Interesting.
She's putting up a fight. They putting up a fight. They putting up a fight. But again, we knew it was zagging. It was going through a zag. And we're gonna see if it's starting a little zig here. I'm just glad there's action. The stream would have been over by now if like there wasn't no action. I ran out of shit to say after the first 2 minutes.
Yeah, I hope there is some action, man. Like some more action.
Me too. I'm ordering breakfast.
Man, I don't know how I'm feeling about 23,250.
It's getting a little close there, huh, Billy?
Yeah, I'm starting to get a little fickle, but you know
Yeah,
what?
it's you know it's I've been getting every single time it's come down this red. I've gotten a little nervous.
Yeah. Feel you, man. Well, I do have to say that I'm committed to 23,250.
Me too. But
I'm actually technically in profit still. I could get
yeah,
out right now if I wanted to.
I'm committed to 23,250. I'm in this. I'm in profit too. I'm in profit.
Are you in profit?
Yeah, minus $1,600. That's profit to me.
Oh, okay.
23,250.
Oh. And if we lose 23,250, whoa. Looks like we're losing that trend line. Dang. see. Let's see what happens now.
Okay, we're getting reports about the Dixie.
Is it
Can we get
pumping?
reports about the Dixie? Let's take a look. See here. Okay, looks like might be going through a little zag, a little zig, a little zag. Give it time. We're approaching 23,250. We are approaching 23,250. It's testing our. It's about to separate the men from the boys. It's about to separate the men from the boys. We're at 23,250.
All right. Let's see what happens here. This is literally the make it or break it moment.
I need a warm towel.
I need a cold towel.
Yeah.
I'm getting a little myocarditis up in here from all these injections of volume.
I want a lawnmower.
All right, this is a
this 23,250 is strong, boy. Get on out of here.
Been squatting and deadlifting at 23,250.
Get on out of here. Said talk to the hand, cause 23,250 ain't listening.
Ooh, 1 minute uneven butt cheeks. Let's see if this can get us a little something here. The 1 minute, you know you're a real degen when you're looking at the 1 minute, hoping for some uneven butt cheekage.
Shit, man, the 30-second, the 15-second. Anyone who talks shit about the minute time frames, the second time frames, ain't never traded no real ass shit before.
Man, this is crazy though.
You can say that again.
This is crazy though.
Yeah. I mean, it's happening. You know, it's
23,250, baby.
yes.
You know what it is.
It's 23,250. I mean, we try to tell them.
Wow.
These people are impatient, and it is rocket shipping.
Did you see that wick? We just got like a fast wick up.
It's one of the wickedest I've ever seen.
Can I show you something crazy?
You don't see them like that. Yes, you can. Yes, you can, Billy. Flip on that. Flip it. Twist it. And hit it.
All right, let's flip, twist, and hit, baby. We're going to flip, twist, and hit. So.
Okay, I'll let you know when,
this
get
green
it.
line right here was this is why I said this is the make it or break it level. This green line on the chart right here, in my opinion, was the make it or break it for this bounce. And we came down, we hit it to the dang dollar. Like literally, not even joking, to the exact
Billy,
dollar.
I mean, I don't know if you were listening. We haven't just been. I haven't been just blowing smoke up your keister, Billy. We've been saying 23,250 on the dollar, and
Yeah.
it is gone. Sayonara. Get rejected and deflected.
Let's see if we can put in a higher high here, though, because honestly, until we do, we just put in a lower low.
Yeah, well, one step at a time now, Billy. We just got down here.
Just one foot in front of the other.
We just got down here. We're on cruise control as far as I'm concerned. And I am not concerned.
Yeah, this that green line is a nice green line. We had a lot of confluence here. We had the 618. We had a lot of stuff here. And actually, let's take a look at the S&P 500. Ooh, S&P 500 holding that key zone of support right now with some uneven butt cheeks as well. On the 12-minute, looking very, very dang juicy.
Can you repeat that? I did not have. You were not live. We need a.
Oh, sorry. The S&P 500 right now is getting from the red line. The red line is the key level, and we're getting a move. S&P 500 getting a move from the key level. Dollar doing nothing, but Bitcoin is getting the bounce perfectly from this. We had some single prints here. Okay, this is awesome. Come on, 23,450, baby. 23,450. Come on, Jason Casper needs a new pair.
Folks, if you're just tuning in, this is live action. Big boy, put on your big boy pants. $1 million positions. We're calling shots, making shots, pulling triggers,
Man,
and
CryptoFace is the big boy trader, trading millions. Jason Casper is the little guy trading hundreds of thousands.
Billy, as far as I'm concerned, you're the captain of the ship today, buddy. I'm just the motor.
Oh man, that's a scary thing, man. Because
fuck no, Billy, it ain't. I feel safe with you, Billy.
What the heck just happened?
This is some funny shit. I mean, like, if I didn't know us and I was watching this, I think I'd be having a really good time.
Yeah, so everyone should like and subscribe to CryptoFace.
Thanks, brother. We just pegged a lower low on the Dixie when you guys got it before it happened. Folks, I don't know what else to tell you. We can show you better than we can tell you. We're showing you. If you ain't in it, you ain't with it. MarketCipherTrading.com. When we give presentations to people,
All right, let's see.
Live, we do it on the 30-second, baby, and it pays. This could be the 2-hour, it could be the daily. It's the same shit. Okay, I gotta punch in the, we gotta lock in the order, the priority order. I need to get my bagel sandwiches and cappuccinos.
The DXY is dumping, people are saying right now. Ooh, nice. Okay. DXY coming down a little bit. S&P 500 coming up too.
Yes, sirree. So far, it's, I mean, this is what we want.
Let's go, baby.
This is what we want. We're about to clock in higher. Eyes on the 23,250 is about to be history.
Man, uneven butt cheeks apparent on lots of time frames right here.
Go ahead and flash them. You're back on the screen. You're on the main screen. You're on the main stage again.
Wow, uneven butt cheeks, guys, coming in on the 12-minute time frame for Bitcoin. Price gets lower. The waitress's butt cheeks get higher. We got it going on right here on the S&P 500. Man, wow, look at this pump, baby.
What?
Look at
Whoa,
this
whoa, whoa,
pump.
whoa, 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 whoa. What is going on? Was that the Dixie or was that Bitcoin?
This was the S&P 500.
Thank God.
The red line was the key zone, right? Because we wanted to make sure that like we didn't lose this old low here. So we got a little bounce from there. Did we hit 23,450 yet? No, come on.
It's practically there, bro. It's honestly, I might as well just go to sleep right now. I'll wake up in 10 hours and cash the check.
In 12 hours, we'll go up another 100 or whatever. Man, you know, I tried to set a limit order. I ended up setting a market order. Doesn't that suck? I just marketed out partial of my trade by accident.
And you didn't mean to, Billy? Where you're trying to set a limit, huh?
Trying to set a limit, yeah.
It happens, man.
Yeah. You know, it's because I'm nervous. I have stage fright being on a celebrity's YouTube channel.
Me too.
Yeah, so let's go, baby. Let's go.
I have to visit the little boys' room.
$20,
I will be
man.
right back. Oh, let's go! Let's go, dude!
Let's go.
We should have longed more. I knew I should have longed more on the second touch of 23,250. And you know what? If you ask me, we are never going to see 23,250 again. You heard it here first. I'm going to the little boys' room. I'll be right back.
We're never going to see 23,250 again.
Okay, be right back.
Oh man, are we gonna hit? Are we gonna hit? Oh man, we just are hitting into these highs right here. And we got a small little rejection right from that last high. Oh man. Say it ain't so. Say it ain't so. Come on, 23,450. $23,450. We have another $13. Can we do it? Can we do it, guys? Oh my goodness. We've got long trades opening up. People are starting to FOMO in right now. We've got like 8 million people longing right now. Wow. 23,450, baby. Just hit. Just hit. CryptoFace missed it, man. He's getting his coffee. 23,450. This is local resistance. So let's see what happens here. We've got some long trades coming in. We got the uneven butt cheeks going on the 12-minute. We're putting in a higher high right now. Let's go, baby. 23,250.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Magic number.
Are you telling
Or
me?
so it seems.
We tried to tell him, Billy. It was us together, Billy. We tried to tell him, Billy. We are at 23.
450,
450.
baby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
And Billy, high five.
High five, bro. Man, you know, I was thinking, CryptoFace, I was thinking to myself, might be a horrible idea, but you know, it paid off in the long run.
It was a brilliant idea.
And you know what? Now I just made enough money to take the wife out on a nice date to Ruby Tuesdays.
Now, are we doubling down?
I'm not doubling down.
Are we doubling down?
You should take a poll. This is wild, man. This pump is wild, baby. That's what I'm talking about.
Look at the Dixie. Oh. Look at the Dixie. Does anyone remember what we were saying? 20 minutes ago? Anybody remember? Billy, don't leave.
Oh, I'm not leaving. What were we saying? We were saying we wanted.
It was going down. We were saying it was going down. The money flow's coming down. It's coming down now. We told him it was going down.
That's right.
And it's going down.
Leading indicator, baby.
The only, you know,
man,
it's just priceless. Some things are just priceless. My favorite trade last year was a 10% gold trade. And Billy, this is up there.
This is a special one. This is a special CryptoFace Jason Casper collaboration.
First time ever, and bro, you're the star of the show.
Oh, please, bro. Please.
Bro, listen, I had no clue. If it wasn't for you, I would have longed at 23,515, shorted at 23,250, and then shorted at 23,250 again. And Billy, you saved me.
Man, 23,250. You know, it's just stopping out all those people who longed too early. And the 24-minute was looking pretty dang juicy at the time. At the beginning of the stream, we were looking at that 24-minute time frame.
Now, this Dixie, the question is, does the Dixie have more than 23,250 to go down? I think she does. Billy, what do you think? It might be too early to tell, but I
have
think...
no idea, man. I'll be honest with you about the Dixie. It looks bullish to me on the higher time frames. And if we look at the Dixie on the daily, it looks like Bitcoin on the 1 minute. The Dixie on the daily looks like Bitcoin on the 1 minute.
You know, she's thick in the red, bro. The Dixie on the daily, I mean, this is early. This is early. It's early, bro. This is early. This is a little surely, a little early. I think you're front running it. I think we got a little time.
Hey, I hope you're right, bro. I do. I'm just nervous about that level that we
got in at 23,250.
No, on the Dixie, the 101.29 is like such an important support. I historically, when you look at the Dixie on like the higher term time frames, whenever we take on the way down, whenever we've taken out a swing low, we always get a little bounce from it that lasts for like a week. Like
You're live on the screen. You're on the screen.
yeah, so like when we took out this swing low on the way down, we got a little move up. When we took out this swing low, we also got a little move up. And now we're taking out this swing low, and you know, we took the level, and now we're starting to get a little move up. So, and what makes me even more nervous about this swing low on the Dixie is the fact that if we zoom out, it's like a super major support resistance flip. Like this was our resistance from 2015 all the way to like 2022.
Bro, we're at 23,550. And we started at 23,250.
Dang, bro.
We should have
You're
doubled
pumping
down.
like a wild woman in distress. Well, hey, we might get a retracement. Like, honestly, like, we might get a retracement. Like, man, 23,250 don't work.
Man, forever. I'm getting shirts made. We're in a club. 235,250.
Man, look at this crazy
Plus
pump.
you and me.
I mean, so like the thing is, right, like if we do get some kind of retracement here, we could I would look to add like at the golden pocket right now. It's looking like a good support resistance flip.
Man.
If we're gifted a pullback like that, it could be a nice one.
Yeah, I'm telling, bro, it makes these dips, bro. Let's make these dips, catching dips. Chips and dips, bro. Chips and dips. How's that Dixie looking?
I hope the Dixie has diarrhea.
Me
It
too.
looks like she does have diarrhea. You know, she's looking like she ate something a little funky.
You know, and maybe I'm tunnel vision. I don't know. Are we tunnel visioning the Dixie?
Maybe, you know, but man, that bounce was wild though. That 23,250, that was wild.
And you know, the Dixie, you know, might come down and go back up and come down, but you know, the price of Bitcoin mellows out, you know, and so it's a little numb. It's juxtaposed, but it's a little numb. We're never seeing 23,250 again, as far as I'm considered. We can check that off, put it in the books, and throw a sack on it. Well, throw a sack on it,
23,250 is
Jack.
the low forever. Everybody who doubted 23,250.
Smoke a sack with your snapback. Smoking a sack on the Cadillac, Jack.
All right, so we are at resistance, like, you know, no financial advice, of course, but you know, if anyone did long from 23,250, the way I trade is I would hit it. I would book some profits.
Yeah, I mean, we're having a good time here. You know, if you're paying the bills, you probably want to take that 23,250. We're coming at resistance. This is absolutely a time where you would take profit if you need the money, please.
Yeah. After a move like that, you know, we're at the VWAP, we're at daily open. We just took out the local high. So, man, yeah, look at that. We just took out those local highs.
Look at that. We're damn near 23,250 again.
And just like that, we're back to where we started.
And now we're scared again.
Oh my goodness.
And we should have listened to Aunt Jemima when she told us, "You need to do that, Billy. You need to tell when to get that 2350." But we do
old
have a
GameStop.
bullish engulfing candle here.
Yeah, so you know what? The way I would handle this trade, like if anyone longed from 23,250 and you want to take some profits, but you still maybe want to play this move, there's a chance, having come up to local resistance, that we have ourselves a nice juicy retest, and then we can add to the position risk free if we get a pullback to the key support that we have now. So
Listen, Bitcoin doesn't give a shit about PHEMEX or the jobs report. All that is immediate um, emotional response. It has nothing to do with the true price. Other things do, but not this PHEMEX jobs report bullshit. That is the subject of the day we talk, because it's the one time a month where something with Bitcoin people think matters.
yo, can I share my screen quick?
Just let me pull you up. One moment. Go get him.
So like we're getting resistance here at local resistance. Right now, if we do get a pullback down to 23,380, could be a good time, not financial advice, to add to a position, because if we're long from 23,250, we come down here, this is now support. So we could add down here for a higher low, and
Makes
still,
that stepping stone. Mm-hmm.
yeah, a little stepping stone, and honestly, we could still have an entry below. So if it goes right through, not a big deal, because it's still a winning trade if you book some profits. But if we get a bounce from there, it could be a nice place to add to the position. Not financial advice, but that's just my current thought process at the moment. And man, this 12-minute is looking nice, though. I have to say, the 24-minute and 12-minute doesn't lie, man.
Can you pull it up for us? What are we looking at here? What are we looking at?
Well, the 24-minute is giving us this very bullish divergence right here, where the price made a lower low and market Cipher B made a higher low. And this right here is one of my favorite long signals in the world, when the money flow is getting higher and the momentum wave is getting higher after printing a Ben Armstrong dot down here. That's a very bullish signal. So when I see this on the 24-minute, it makes me even more confident about adding if we do get a pullback down to support. But the beginning of the stream, when we were looking at this level, we were like somewhere up here, and like you can extrapolate. Like if you see like a big BitBoy green dot in the 24 and you see the money flow getting higher, you can extrapolate and say, look, if we come down and take out the lows, stop out everybody, we could very well be getting the coveted uneven butt cheek pattern on the 24-minute. That's one of my favorite market Cipher long signals.
Yeah, and the 24 car was one of our favorite NASCAR drivers. Now he's retired, but Jeff Gordon. You ever look at the 48-minute? If you like the 24.
Oh, I love the 48.
No way. Can you tell?
Yeah.
What is it? Just like the 24, but
It's just like it's any multiple of 6 is like the time frames. That's why I use the 12 and the 24 and the 48 and the 4 hour and the 1 hour. I don't know what it is.
Don't say, huh? Yeah, I'll have to start looking into that. My cappuccino and sandwiches are on the way, and man, I don't know about you, but you ever notice after whacking a good one, you get hungry?
Yeah, for sure. It's the adrenaline rush.
We are at 23,520. Cannot wait till my cappuccinos get here.
Say the next major resistance we have is going to be around 23,700.
Let's take a look. See. Oh shit! Oh, I'll be right back.
Wow. 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 This is crazy, guys, but my wife and my daughter just washed a whole bunch of eggs from our chickens. And we have chickens that lay brown eggs, blue eggs, and white eggs. And my family's been sick for the past, week. So we've been letting them all stack up on the counter. And there must be, 100 eggs. Pretty crazy. Especially since I haven't bought eggs in so long. I hear they're expensive now. I highly advise everybody to get their own chickens. It's a wonderful experience.
Do you have green eggs in ham?
No. Actually, I don't eat ham, so.
Neither do I.
Yeah, I don't. But I do eat green eggs, and
How are we looking here? 23,509. Okay, good. All right, my food's here. I'll be right back.
yeah, let's see what happens here. If we do get a pullback, I would like to add to the trade. Oh man, the 1 hour is also looking juicy as heck right now. 1 hour is getting some uneven butt cheeks going on. Oh, shout out to Rohan Jadhav, who says it's 10 cents an egg in India. Is that expensive or is that cheap? I don't know because I haven't bought eggs in so long. Eat eggs when you're sick, says Chris. Yeah, they're so nutritious, but I hear they cause strokes nowadays. So you got to be careful. So what's up with Tadas Tretiakas, who always talks about George Bush? What's up with that? What's up with the George Bush talk? Oh man, did you see that wick to the downside with a pretty quick buyback? We even front ran that golden pocket that we were looking at. We got a
Oh man, look at this action.
Yeah, we're getting a move down right now.
Man, the 30 cent, 50 cent told the story. The Dixie.
Oof. That is crazy. The
Curved
Dixie.
right
Oh my
back up.
goodness.
I'm
Oh my
telling you,
goodness.
any time frame, green, go down, coming down, red, come back up. The it's 23,250 still holding.
Man, I can't believe the Dixie. Wow, man, that's a plot twist here, guys. So, with the Dixie being this crazy bullish right now, I would be careful, maybe adding to that trade like I was originally talking about. Man, so I'm nervous, CryptoFace, that my fears are becoming reality here about that bounce
I
on
mean,
the
we
Dixie.
told the people to sell if they needed to pay the bills.
That's true. We did say.
Listen, it's temporary.
You're talking about the
Maybe.
dollar?
Well, I tell you, you can torture yourself staring at this shit all day.
Man, that dollar, that is a crazy candle.
Man, I needed this sandwich. She's
Bitcoin
holding.
is
She's holding, bro.
the Bitcoin. Yeah, she's holding VWAP right now. Let's see see what's going on with that.
Technically, the price of Bitcoin should be lower than before.
Yeah, you're right. If they're completely inversely correlated, and I do have to say, let's take a look at this. Wow, that's interesting.
Looks like we're having our cake and eating it too.
Yeah, and sandwiches as well.
Some more BS news just came out. That's funny. I wonder what it was.
Oh, for real? Some news came out? As much as I hate the fact that the news dictates the Bitcoin market, it is nice to get some volatility whenever news comes out.
Yep. Yeah. I'm eating a bacon, egg, cheese, bacon bagel.
Sounds good, bro. I haven't had a bagel
It is.
in years, man. I need to have one.
Bro, I used to make a sandwich I called the good sandwich. I always wanted to open up a sandwich shop, and I'd call it the good sandwich. And the good sandwich itself is a bagel with toasted, obviously, with cream cheese, American cheese, egg, bacon, and yellow American mustard, and it is the best darn sandwich you'll ever have in your life. And I would make it every fucking day.
Sounds great, man. Honestly, I don't eat bacon, but if I did, I would definitely eat that sandwich.
And bro, the yellow mustard,
Really see what happened. Oh, so we had the ISM Services PMI.
The what?
The Institute for Supply Management PMI just came out, and it was bullish for the dollar. It was 5.7 points higher than the forecast. So I think that's why the Dixie just got that crazy candlestick. But maybe it's a pump and dump operation.
Just
Because,
like it. You mean just like the last one's a pump and dump operation?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know, but man, this candlestick on the dollar is looking crazy, man. Like on the 1 hour,
Let me zoom out.
it looks fake almost. On the 4 hour,
That's
crazy.
some good shit. That's some good shit
Wow.
right there. It's not like it hasn't been seen before. On the last FOMC, FOMD, HAMD, HAMD.
Yeah, you're right.
Bro, I see what you mean about being bullish on the Dixie on the by bigger time frames.
Yeah, I know
what
money
you mean.
flow's coming down. I don't think it's like the bottom line. I just think it's time for a retrace.
A long, painful retrace, huh?
Yeah, we'll have to see. I mean, right now the dollar is coming up to like resistance, and we could reject from 102.899 with some bearish divs here.
Let me grab another sandwich.
Yeah, I'm really keeping my eye. If the dollar rejects from 102.899, there could be hope for Bitcoin. It'll be interesting to see the dollar come to resistance as Bitcoin comes down to support to see if there's a dual reaction going on. So the dollar's super close to that level.
Yeah, this thing's ripping.
It is crazy, man. And right now, people are shorting the crap out of Bitcoin, and the dollar's coming to a key resistance right now. Look, so
We thought we weren't gonna see 2250 ever again, and we're sticking with it. We ain't scared.
I'm a little bit scared, man. I'll be honest with you.
No, Billy.
I'm just messing. I ain't scared.
I know, Billy. I know.
You mind if I pop my screen on real quick?
Of course.
I want to share something with the ladies and gentlemen. The dollar right now is coming up to test this key.
Oh shit! Oh,
level.
I thought you meant. Oh shit! I thought you meant like on your channel. Hang on, let me pull your shit up.
Oh.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, folks.
No.
Just joined us. We have Jason, aka Billy Casper. Hang on one second. Floor is yours.
The dollar right now, we got to watch it because it's coming up to this old high, and pretty much the dollar's been trading sideways like this. So before we get too crazy, you know, usually support and resistance work. So as we're coming up to test this, if we start to reject from here, this could actually be bearish because we do have some potential bearish divs here. So I'm curious to see what happens here because Bitcoin's also coming down to key support, which is right around 23,380. So if they both hit at the same time, it actually could give us continued movement for Bitcoin because this ain't no financial advice. It's just real-time analysis here. We got some bullish divs here on Bitcoin. We got some bearish divs here on the dollar as we're coming up to key resistance. Look at the 1 hour actually on the Dixie right now. Potentially we've got that VWAP curving down here as we come up right to the resistance here. So Let's see if we get like a fake out of it. Vroom, vroom. I don't know though. 24 minutes.
Damn, look at that candle on the Dixie.
Yeah, that is just insane. The 24 minutes looking like we still got more juice here. But look at the level itself. Just the fact that we hit that high.
No man's land
is respected, even if just for a minute here. Level respected, baby.
That is a rocket ship. Better get on board.
Check out the 1 minute on the Dixie. Look at that. Look at that level respected. Is that not beautiful? I just like when levels are respected. Look at that. Would you look at that? This could be the saving grace of 23.
Oh, let's go.
Right
it's
now.
Saving us. Goodness gracious. Thank
Do you see that?
Come on down to Funky Town.
That beautiful green line. Oh, my goodness.
Bunch of clowns walking and laughing to the bank, Billy.
And Bitcoin is now getting a little bit of a move back up now. Too. Wow, look at that, man. Dollar and the Bitcoin, they do the opposite, man. Oof.
Billy Casper, American Sniper.
Man, look at these beautiful purple candles just dripping down. Purple blood, baby. Let's see if it lasts or if it's just... I honestly doubt this was it. I feel like we might... Even if we're going to reject from here, we might do something. That is wild.
You know, I think that this could be extremely bullish for Bitcoin because this shit's gonna get cracked down to the moon. Rocket ship, the Dixie, it's going down. I'll be right back.
Man, if Bitcoin can make a higher high, I think we'll be in the clear. Oof. Man, if this is it, then we front ran that support. That's the 2 hour. 2 hour on Market Cipher B looks like we're about to print a green dot. Man, how juicy would it be if if we print a green dot on the 2 hour, pump up to 25K, and then end up with some upside down uneven butt cheeks, and that could give us the 10% pullback. That would be super juicy. You still there, or am I here by myself?
I'm here, bro. I just had to put throw my sandwich shit away.
Oh, gotcha. Man, let's see what happens here, you know?
Yeah, dude.
I like it's very unclear to me. Oof, the dollar though is giving me hope, bro. The dollar's giving me
Man,
hope.
what a beautiful rejection.
Oh man, the S&P 500 is pumping right now. I actually think this could be
Bro,
good.
we're at 23,550. We're at
We're back-
23,550, bro.
We're back to where we started, man. Yeah. Oof. Ooh, we're pumping, baby. We are pumping.
We said we were gonna double down. We doubled down.
Did you double down? Did you add to your?
Sure, Billy. Sure, I did, Billy.
Let's see if we hit 23,733. That's my next target. 23,733. Let's go, baby. I think we can do it. We have one resistance right here at 23,635 and 50 cents. And then 23,734.
Yippee! Oi. Man, you know that we're pumping when we're having a good time. We got pencil necks going at each other in the chat. We're pumping. We got Billy and folks. This is just another day in the life.
Let's go, baby. Let's go, Bitcoin. Wow.
650,
Come on.
23, 650. My neighbors are probably pissed off. They hear me because I'm loud as hell with my windows open.
That's all good, man. You know.
Fuck the neighbors. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, this is a wild pump. This is pretty epic, man.
Yeah, we're gonna start calling him Billy Sniper. Billy the Sniper, his aim is true.
Let's go, baby. 23,730. When we hit 23,730, I would be shocked if we don't get a little wick down from there. Let's go. We're close.
You're keeping us alive, Billy.
$23,730.
I'm going into anabolic shock. Billy.
Anabolic shock?
Yes.
It happens, man. Shorts are getting absolutely wrecked. And we still have many longs entering into the market here. So
Dixie getting absolutely rejected, inflected, as directed.
oof, but BTC getting the
Folks, the kid's the real deal. Billy the Kid, aka Jason Casper. I'm slipping in and out of sandwich consciousness right now. It might be time for me to hang it up, bro.
That's cool, man, because, you know, I had scheduled a live stream in 10 minutes And I've been trying to stream every day because I'm really trying to put in the work and grow my channel.
Man, your viewers are pumping. It's I'm glad the views are going to the people that deserve it. And Billy, nobody deserves it more than you.
Oh shucks, man. You're making me blush.
Okay. It's my bedtime now. But good night. I'm gonna tell everyone. I'm gonna say good night on Twitter.
Cool, man. It's perfect timing. I'm about to go live. We're about to hit 23/730, which is
Fuck yeah, bro. Let's go. Everyone go to Jason Casper's channel. And God bless you. Thank you. And
thank you, bro.
y'all have a good night. No, thank you. Thank you. Thanks for coming on, man. It was a good stream, good time. We were just kicking it, having a good old time, like some good old boys.
This was an epic stream, man. So you have a good sandwich sleep.
Thanks, brother. I will.
Take care, man.
All right. Peace, dude.
Peace.